This video is going to show how to import content from an existing Canvas course into a new Canvas course. Say at the start of a new semester or at the start of a new term, you have a new course that you're going to be teaching and you're going to use content from an existing course, maybe just make an exact duplicate or maybe make a few tweaks or changes along the way. But either way, there's a really easy way to import content. And there actually are a few different ways to go about this. And if you have a different route that you like, you should totally go for that. But this is one way. And it's also going to include a slight update that Canvas made when it comes to searching for courses. So right here, we're going to use my Foundations of Technology course. And you can see that I have Term 2 is active right now for another week. And so I have that course up. But I do have a Term 3 course that's going to come up pretty quick here. And I need to set that course up. So I'm going to click the Courses button right here and go down to All Courses. Right here, I'll be able to see all my different courses. And as I scroll down, I'm looking for the course that I want to build. And right here is my Foundations of Technology course, and I can see that it's for Term 3. If I click this little star right here, that'll actually make it appear on the dashboard, and then I'll always be able to see it and don't have to go into this courses menu to find it. So by holding Control and clicking, I'm going to open up this course, and we can see that I have a blank course right here. And I really want to copy the content from my existing course, which is Term 2, into my Term 3 course. And the way I'm going to go about doing this is to hit Import Existing Content. Now at Import Existing Content, there's a lot of different ways I can add content from the course, but what I'm going to do right here is select for content type, copy a Canvas course. And here's the thing that can be a little tricky. If I type Foundations of Technology, even to I have all these different Foundations of Technology courses. Now, it is pretty easy based on this list to tell which one that I would be using here. I just go down until I find my Term 2, then I'll select that. But say I have a huge list, or say it's hard for me to find through searching. Maybe if the only option I had was to type Foundations for some reason, I have all these different courses that show up. And there's not really an awesome way Canvas is designed in order to scroll through those courses. A new workaround is to go to your existing course and find the course code. The course code is this number here right at the end of the URL. I'm going to take that course code, I'm going to copy it. And then right here when I'm searching, I'm going to paste that course code, and that brings exactly the course that I want. So that's another way to get to the course that you're after, is to actually open up the course that you want to pull content from, and then just find that little course code, paste it in right there, and you're set up. And now I can go select what I want to import. So do I want to do all content, which takes everything in the course and just makes a mirror of it, or do I want to hit select specific content? Now, all content's pretty simple. When you click import on all content, it just starts running. For the purpose of this, I'm going to show select specific content just to show another way if you want to be, really picky and choosy about what you include into your course. So I'm going to hit, just for the purpose of this example, select specific content. And if I want, I can adjust events and due dates, which typically, if we're going into the future, is a good idea. So I'd click that, and I can either shift dates. I'd choose which beginning date the existing course had, and I'm going to change that beginning date to the new course's beginning date, same with the ending date. Or I can hit remove dates, and that will just remove everything. So now I'm going to hit this import button right here, and that brings me to the next page where it's imported. Now, if I had just selected all course content, this import would just start running right away. However, because I selected specific content, now I have to click the Select Content button in order for this to finish. Select content, and then I can go through and use these checkboxes and hierarchies in order to select the specific content I want. So for example, if I want all the modules from my previous course, I would just click this checkbox. But if I want to just pick and choose a few in this drop-down, I would go through and pick exactly what modules I want. Exact same content, exact same idea when it comes to other domains within the course. And whenever I've selected the thing I want, I hit Select Content, and now it just automatically starts running. And within a few minutes, I should have my new course up and ready to go.